Hello everyone and welcome back to the new video lesson of our Amazon affiliate niche website course. In this video, I'll tell you why Amazon affiliate program is the best of all. Here I'll tell you 8 points that I think are the best about Amazon affiliate program. The first of all is it is reliable and trustworthy. As you know, Amazon is the biggest e-commerce platform and hence it is a reliable and trustworthy one. If you are a newbie to the affiliate programs, then the ones offered by Amazon are the best choice. Firstly, it is a well-known brand as it sells products of high quality. It has been an online business for decades, which makes it a reliable one. Hence, you can be assured of your income. The point number two is it is a great source of income. When you refer your friend or any other person to Amazon, and if he or she purchases any product, then you will get compensation from 4 to 15% from the sales amount. This means even if you invest very small amount, then you can get access and sell many items. The point number 3 is earn while online and offline. When you are associated with the affiliate program from Amazon, you will be earning even while you are sleeping. You just need to perform few functions at the beginning and then you will earn money whenever people make a purchase, even if you are away on a vacation or offline. The number 4 point is get more money for sales. While someone shops at the website of Amazon, they usually don't purchase just one item, as they would shop for some more items that are not related to the product they initially purchased. This means you will not only earn for the items that you promote, but also for other products the customers purchase. So, this is a very good thing that I like about Amazon affiliate program. The number 5 point is impressive compensation methods. The volume scale system of Amazon is based on the principle that the more items you offer, the more would be the rate of commission that you would receive. In addition, you will be compensated through different methods in order to get cash continuously. You can also choose various items instead of money. The point number 6 is immense selection of products. If you love to go on holidays and wish to earn some income during that period, then Amazon affiliate program is a perfect choice. As the site is known to offer an array of products under different niche, you can find those categories of products of your preference to earn from them. The point number 7 is they are in trend. Amazon always tries to stay in trend with the changing needs of its customers. Hence, people can find all gadgets, films, clothes, toys, etc. They are hot and in trend. Make sure that you choose diverse items to promote, as it will help reap a lot of benefits from trendy products. The point number 8 is it is simple and supportive. The Amazon affiliate program is known for its simplicity and user-friendly features like web tools or plugins which can be used on your website or blog. You can reach out to many buyers even through your social media sites to earn more. In addition, you can enjoy excellent client support services. If you wish to engage yourself in the Amazon affiliate program, then you can receive several benefits in return too. So these were the points I liked about Amazon affiliate program. And in the next video, I'll tell you about the domains, hostings and how to set up and connect domains and hostings.